You might be eligible for a genius discount at the Maverick, powered by Placemakr, Riverwalk. Sign in to check if a genius discount is available for your selected dates. Genius discounts at this property are subject to booking dates, stay dates, and other available deals. About this property: prime city location. The Maverick, powered by Placemakr, Riverwalk in San Antonio offers a convenient city center location. The Alamo is a 4-minute walk away, while Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum lies 1,312 feet nearby. San Antonio International Airport is 9.9 miles from the property. Comfortable accommodations. Guests enjoy air-conditioned apartments with private bathrooms, free Wi-Fi, and modern amenities such as streaming services and washing machines. Family rooms and terraces provide additional comfort. Exceptional facilities. The Apart Hotel features a fitness center, lounge, and 24-hour front desk. Additional services include private check-in and check-out, concierge, and electric vehicle charging. Nearby attractions: explore Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center within a 9-minute walk, Alamo Dome 1.1 miles away, and Tower of the Americas 15-minute walk. Other attractions include San Antonio Spurs 3.1 miles and Six Flags Fiesta Texas 17 miles from the property. Couples in particular like the location. They rated it 9.4 for a 2-person trip.